Hello guys, welcome back again to this channel where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this tasty and delicious lasagna using ripe plantain. If this is your first time coming across this video, you are welcome, and please don't make it your last video. Please do well to check out all my previous videos and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you, and with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The list of ingredients I will be using for this recipe are as follows. I have my beef sauce, also known as minced meat sauce, and then I have my cooked ham or bacon, and then I'll also be using shredded mozzarella and cheese slices, and now I have my fried ripe plantain. The first thing I will be doing is to assemble everything together. By so doing, I will place the fried plantain slice into my pan first. I will continue to place my plantain into my pan until I exhaust the first batch. Now I will cut that one into two because it was too long for that place I want to place it. Now that I'm done with it, I will go ahead to add my minced meat sauce, and with my spoon I will spread everything evenly until I'm able to cover all the plantain. Another thing is that you can as well add your sauce first before adding the plantain. Any method you use is okay. At this point, I will take some of those baked ham or cooked ham and place it on top of the minced sauce. I will also be adding the cheese slice. Now that I'm done adding the cheese slice, I will go ahead to add the shredded mozzarella to those areas that the cheese slice did not cover. And then I will repeat the process until I have exhausted all the ingredients. I will also be adding the grated cheese at this point. And afterward, I will bake this in my oven for 10 to 15 minutes in 180 degrees. After taking this from the oven, I allowed it to cool down for 20 minutes or more before cutting it. Now that it has cooled down, I will go ahead to cut out of it. Look at that yumminess, guys. This was so delicious and so filling. This can be eaten as side dish or eaten along with rice, pasta, bread, etc., or eating like that. Guys, I urge you to try this, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.